Today we will be adding equations to a Word document. First, we're going to create a table of 1 row and 3 columns. These would allow us to space out the equations and to have a section for the equation numbering. Then on the third column, we're going to insert the numbering sequence. First, we set up the parentheses for the sequence of numbers. We left justify it, and then we insert a field. In this field, we search for sequence, SEQ. Now you can assign a new name for it. So I'm going to call SEQ equations and press OK. Once we do that, we're going to insert an equation in the center column. But we're going to center it so all the equations are in the middle of the space. So go to Insert, Equation, just leave the equation blank. Now you make sure that the border doesn't exist. We want no border so that it doesn't show up as a box. It shows up as a clear line. And once you're done with that, you can save the equation to the gallery and have this be the standard format for an equation after giving it a name and saving it. You can add a description to what it does in case you have multiple designs for your equations. But we're going to only use this one for the class. Now we're going to insert an equation as a practice. So we're going to use the weight equations to start with here. To add a new equation with the custom format, just go to the very end and add the format for the equation. Let's do it one more time. Go to Insert Equation and select from the gallery the equation that you need to. And you can do it as many times as you need to. You'll notice that the sequence keeps increasing the number of the equation as you go down the document. Now sometimes you need to add additional equations after you edited something. And in this case, you can simply insert a new equation, again, with the same format. And once the one equation is added, or you can add as many equations as you need, you can select the whole area and update the field count. You can do F9 to update the document as well. And that would put the sequence in the correct order.